Introducing the ESHINE King Adjustable Bed Frame, a premium sleep solution designed to elevate your rest and relaxation experience. In this detailed review, we will explore the ergonomic design, massage functionality, wireless remote control, ease of installation, multifunctionality, and the manufacturer's commitment to customer satisfaction, along with essential specifications. Discover how this adjustable bed frame can transform your sleep quality and overall comfort. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Design and ergonomics. One of the standout features of this adjustable bed frame is its ergonomic design. This bed frame allows you to independently adjust the head and foot incline, providing a wide range of positions for optimal comfort. The head can be adjusted up to 55 degrees, while the foot can be raised to 42 degrees. This flexibility makes it perfect for reading, watching TV, or finding the ideal sleeping posture. Number 2. Massage function. The bed frame incorporates German-engineered ESHINE motors, known for their reliability and performance. These motors power the massage function, which offers 3 intensity levels and 3 massage modes: wave, pulse, and full body vibration. The 10 to 30 minute timer option allows you to enjoy a soothing massage before drifting off to sleep. The massage function is a definite plus for relaxation and easing muscle tension. Number 3. Wireless remote. This adjustable bed frame comes with a wireless remote that boasts 19 buttons, making it easy to adjust the bed to your preferred position, activate the massage function, and even address common sleep issues like snoring. The remote's user-friendly design ensures that you can effortlessly customize your sleep experience. However, it could benefit from a more intuitive layout for improved ease of use. Number 4. Easy installation. Setting up this bed frame is a breeze. It's designed for quick and hassle-free installation, and the process can be completed in just 10 minutes. This user-friendly assembly is a significant advantage for those who prefer to skip complex installation processes. Number 5. Multifunctionality. The bed frame's multifunctional features enhance its appeal. Adjustable legs allow for height customization between 8 inches and 11.4 inches, catering to various mattress and room preferences. Additionally, the inclusion of dual USB ports on both sides of the bed is a convenient touch for charging devices without cluttering your nightstand. The underbed night lights, controllable via a wireless remote, add a subtle and practical touch to the overall design. Number 6. Warranty and customer service. This adjustable bed frame offers peace of mind with a 10-year limited warranty. This demonstrates the manufacturer's confidence in the product's durability and performance. Furthermore, the promise of responsive customer service within 24 hours is reassuring for any potential issues or inquiries. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 78.7 inches length by 74.8 inches width by 14.9 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 3 reasons to buy. Adjustable legs for customizable height. Dual USB ports on both sides for device charging. Underbed night lights for added convenience. 1 reason not to buy. The remote control layout could be more intuitive. Conclusion. The ESHINE King Adjustable Bed Frame is a top-notch sleeping solution that combines comfort, functionality, and convenience. Its ergonomic design, massage features, ease of installation, and thoughtful extras like USB ports and underbed lighting make it an excellent choice for those seeking a customizable and luxurious sleep experience. The 10-year warranty is the icing on the cake, providing long-term peace of mind. While the remote could be more intuitive, the overall package is impressive and deserves strong consideration for anyone looking to upgrade their sleep setup. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.